Alright everybody, here we are today. It's the weekend after Thanksgiving. I'm about to press in the pilot bearing into this, and then I'm going to put the new axle seals in. I've got the transmission cleaned up real nice like. Found out that I was leaking the gasket, so I need to get a new one of those. But yeah, the only thing I might have to do is run to the parts store and get some high temp grease. I definitely don't want to fool around and just throw any grease on it. I don't know if it works. Got the new torque mount on there, so yeah, no more crackly piece of shit torque mount. And I also got another torque mount. Boom! For this side right there. Yeah. So as soon as I start getting everything up and another motor mount hooked up, I'll work on that. But yeah, I mean, we're shaking and grooving right now, so yeah, I'll update you guys here in a minute whenever I make some progress. Alright everybody, I've got two bolts holding it up, and then I've got a bolt there to kind of help hold it in place while I torque it down. I've got blue Loctite, sorry, 12-point 17mm cobalt torque wrench, and throwout bearing is on, lubed up, ready to go. Got the fork locked in. Like I said, got the new pilot bearing put in. So we're just more or less about to torque everything down and start trying to put everything back in. So like I said, I'll update you here in a minute. Alright everybody, we've got everything torqued down. The only thing left is the pressure plate bolts. So I've got to spray it with some brake cleaner, and then get the alignment tool and get everything lined up, and then get everything torqued down and get the transmission in. So yeah, everything's moving along quite well. I'll update you here in a few. Alright everybody, we got it in. Got the pressure plate bolts torqued down to 19, flywheel bolts down to 83, and as you can see, goes in smooth without a fight. Relatively nice and easy. As you can tell, I got the old bearing out and the new one in so that I don't void my warranty. I'm just repackaging everything. Yeah, that's super nice to see that the throwout bearing was nice and centered on it. But yeah, I'm just, chipping away at it and making some progress. And like I said, I'll keep updating you as I keep making progress. So I'll update you here in a few whenever I have something to update you with. Alright everybody, so we've made a considerable amount of progress. We've got all the little things, all the little reverse sensors, oil sensors, all that jazz. Yeah, fuck. That sucks. Got the T-bracket bolted up. There's one. There's the other bolt. Got the torque mount on. Looking fresh to death. Yeah, we're just kind of moving along. About to stick the axles back in. And I was working on the other torque mount, to get ready to put this brand new bad boy in. And as I was removing it, well, as you can kind of see, it done its job. So yeah, definitely needed that. So, but yeah, another update here soon once I start stabbing axles and get this torque mount put up, which was a 14 and a 19 on the end. So we're going to get this thing back together and we'll update you here in a minute. Thank you guys. Alright everybody. Alright. Well, we've got everything back in. Everything's golden. Tie rods. Ball joints. Now, exhaust. Well, I don't have a gasket on it, but we'll see if it goes. Either way, either it'll roll or it won't, so I'm going to hand it off to my brother and we shall see. I forgot to tighten up that lead donut, so we'll be back as soon as I'm done tightening that up. Alright. Okay, so got the donut tightened. Also forgot to plug up my second O2 sensor, so went ahead and got that plugged up. Now let's try it again. Super cool, super cool. Alright, well, I've got 300 miles to break it in, and I'm super excited to finally get my first personal clutch install out of the way, and I appreciate you guys hanging out along the way. So I don't know if there'll be another video for this, but I kind of want to go ahead and finish editing and upload, but if not, then thank you guys. Peace out. We'll see you later.